Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here helping you on lesson 10.8, which is on changing dimensions. The problem reads, Evan bought 2 square rugs. The larger one measured 12 square feet. The smaller one had an area equal to 1/4 the area of the larger one. What fraction of the side lengths of the larger rug were the side lengths of the smaller one? To make this problem a little bit easier to understand, I drew a model that's somewhat to scale. So we'll have the larger rug be represented here in yellow, and we know that that's 12 square feet. And we're going to have this green rug represent the smaller one, which we know is 1/4 the area. Now if we kind of visualize that, see we need 4 of these to make up the whole. So we might even infer that one of these would be 3, this is a 3 square foot rug. Now let's think about the sides for a moment. If this represents the side of the larger rug, and this represents the side of the smaller rug, what they're basically asking us, let me just move these lines so we can see them, is they want to know what fraction of the red line is this green line. And visually you can see that the answer is a half. So how might you come up with that if you didn't draw the picture of it? Well, you might say to yourself, what would you have to do to 12 to get the 3, because that's the area, right? The difference in the area, and you would say that we'd have to multiply it by 1/4, correct? Well, you have to think of what times what that's the same thing that you would multiply would equal 1/4. In other words, what you're really doing here is you're finding the square root of 1/4, and the answer, of course, is 1/2. 1/2 times 1/2 would equal 1/4. So if you're not able to draw the picture or understand it using a model, perhaps you might know a little bit about square roots. And in this case, the square root of 1/4 is a half, and that's the answer.